Today we're going to demonstrate a field test method for measurement of total hardness in water samples. This is a titration method, and the reference code for this method sheet, should you need to request it, is FTM015 or reagent pack 16. This method can measure hardness levels of greater than 10 mg per litre. For softened water or water with lower hardness levels, use the Total Hardness Low Range method, FTM16. For this test, you will need the following reagents: total hardness buffer, AO30, hardness titrant, AO10, total hardness indicator tablets, AT010, and if chlorine or bromine is in use, you will also need dechlorinating reagent, A009. Please note this is not included in the reagent pack and needs to be purchased separately. Select an appropriate sample size based on the required milligrams per litre per drop of hardness titrant and filter the sample if necessary. In this demonstration, we'll be using a 20 ml sample. Add 10 drops of total hardness buffer per 20 ml of sample. And 1 total hardness indicator tablet. Crush and swirl to dissolve. Moisten and wipe the tip of the hardness titrant dropper to ensure it's clean, and then add it 1 drop at a time to the sample, counting the number of drops until the colour changes from scarlet to royal blue. Using the formula on the method sheet, calculate the total hardness concentration. For a 20 ml sample, each drop represents 20 ppm of total hardness. For example, if the test took 18 drops, then you'd multiply 18 by 20, which would give a total hardness level of 360 mg per litre.